Objective number 2. Use product property to simplify radical expressions. We look at the product property again. If we have the n root of A times the n root of B, then we will get the answer is n root of A times B. So for the 18, I need to break 18 in a good way. In order to break 18 in a good way, what do? Is we gonna do the factor 3 for 18. So 18 is 3 times 6, and 6 is 2 times 3. So we write 18 as 2 times 3 times 3. Now the index is 2. Then we will group two numbers the same. So this is very important, okay? If you have the index is 2, you will group two numbers the same. Then we can rewrite 18 as 2 times 9 or 9 times 2. I will write 18 as 9 times 2 because 9 is a perfect square number. So I like to write the perfect square number first. Then I can apply the product property now. I separate the 9 and the 2. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 2 you just copy again. In example number 3, we have 5 is the outside number. So this is mean 5 multiply. So you just copy 5 again. Now we're gonna break the 24 in a good way. So 24 is 3 times 8, and 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. Then we can write 24 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Because the index is 3, so we need to group 3 numbers the same. So we have, in this case, we have 2, 2, 2. They are all the same. So we write 24 as 8 times 3. Then we can use the product rule to separate the 8 and the 3. So cube root of 8 times cube root of 3. Then 5 times cube root of 8 is 2, and cube root of 3 we just copy again. We have 5 and 2, they're both outside the radical, they're just number. We want to make it nicer, we multiply them. We got 10 cube root of 3. In problem B, we will write the factor 3 for 128. So 128, if we divide by 2, we will get 64. And we continue, we get 8 times 8. And then 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2. So 128 is 2, and you have 6 of the 2 more. So totally we have 7 of the 2. Then how do we group them? You notice that the index is 2. Okay, so you're gonna group two numbers the same. So you have 2 numbers the same, you have another 2 numbers the same, you have another 2 numbers the same. They will form a good group for us. We're gonna multiply all of the 2 numbers the same. Then we got 64 times 2. So basically, from the beginning, we already make 2 times 64, but I just continue to show the work, and I want to tell you that when you multiply the highlight purple number 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, they form a perfect square number 64. So we will break 64 and 2. Then we will get square root of 64 and 2. However, we have the x. So we have the x squared. So you can add the 2x squared. Then the 2x squared, you have two of them the same also. So we will break a 64x squared times 2. Then we use the product property. We separate the 64x squared and the 2. And 64x squared square root is 8x, because 8x, when you square it, you will get 64x squared. And then you bring down the square root of